Who is that, Paul?
Do you want to see the baby?
What is that? Hi.
I'm gonna get it.
Do you see the baby?
A baby.
Oh, baby, Paul. Jeez.
Jeez. What is that?
Where's the baby?
See the baby? Look, she's moving.
She says, hi, Paul. Hi, Paul.
Is the baby pretty? She nice?
Like cinnamon.
Mm-hmm.
Do you want to see the baby?
Want to see the baby?
One thing you don't want to do. Let him get in there.
Yeah, baby.
See the baby, Paul? Hi, baby. Whoa, no. Say bye-bye.